Hey, it's Rob. This week we're going to do some Code Wars. I'll start with a level 8 and work our way down to 7 and 6. Okay, so we have here a level 8. I filtered level 8 difficulty. Let's see, a needle in the haystack. What's this about? Haystack. We're going to have to look through this. H2. Stack.h2 needle. Action item. Is it looking for the needle? If puts do you want to return? Oh, you want to return? Found the needle at position. Oh, I need to make index. If item equal needle. And loop. What position? What am I missing? Oh, .h. Oh, if index 2. Index 2. And .h. Maybe yeah, underscore if index. There we go. And attempt. Yay, got all of it. Now the really neat thing about Code Wars is that you could compare your solution with other people's solution and you kind of learn from what's the best. So this is way shorter. Yeah, this would make more sense. What I submitted was second, preferably. Oh wait, let's do something that I haven't done. I'm gonna repeat. Okay. N dot times do and so we're gonna create a variable called str. It's gonna be an array. I'm gonna into that and then string dot join. Let's do it. Okay, so what happened here is that I created an empty array and then I'm gonna do this loop n times, and for every time that we iterate through, I'm gonna add the string into the empty array. So for example, the first time, let's say n was 5. The first time we put a into the empty array, next time another a, another a, another a, another a until it's 5 times, then we're going to join that array to create a singular string all over again. So submit, and it's all good. Now let's move on to a 6Q. Max John, Alex Jacob, and 2. Okay, so it's if else statements. should I put? 0. I substituted an array. So let's go with this. Let's run the test again. All pass and all passed. Great. All right, so it's pretty straightforward. If it's empty, then we're going to say it's empty. Otherwise, if there's one person, then we're going to follow this format of that person's name like this. The reason why there's a 0 here because that's the first index. If there's only one person, a 0 index is the first person and the only person. If the length is 2, then 0 is the first person. Index 1 is the second person. 3 is same thing. And then the third person is index 2. So lastly, let's put this piece. The reason why we subtract 2 is because the total length, subtract these first 2 guys, is the remainder of how many people likes this post. So that's a Q, that's a 6Q. And let's see, best response is, case 1 statement. Yeah, that makes more sense. Okay. Same idea, just better structure here. So that wraps up today's episode. I start class tomorrow, and I'll keep up the videos. Next week, we're going to do some HackerRank, just to switch it up. Hope I learned something more advanced to show you for upcoming weeks, but yeah, stay tuned, and I'll see you next week.